So this is what remains of a 1999 115 horsepower Evinrude. Uses the 60-degree direct injection type. So I'm going to pull the flywheel off, this rusty thing right here. Figured I would show you how I plan on doing that. So inside we have 5 bolts. My camera doesn't go high enough, but my plan is to pull those 5 out. You'll also notice that broken bolt inside the crankshaft. That kind of sucks. So anyway, I've got a 1/2-inch socket on my impact. So let's go ahead and pull those out. Now, if you are replacing this flywheel, changing the flywheel, or servicing whatever's underneath it, you are supposed to replace these 5 bolts. So please keep that in mind. So if you have a puller and the appropriate size bolts, you can use these 2 outer bolts to attach your puller to. I don't have those bolts, nor do I really care to find some, so I'm going to do it the alternative method. And that is using my tire stone. I've shown this in many videos. I use the thing for everything. So I'm going to put it where the starter was and just give it a little lift. This engine has some kind of rotating problems. So rotate a little bit. Have a little pry. Don't want to put on the ring gear, but you can if you need to. Probably would make this a little quicker, by the way. Alright, I'm going to pry that while supporting the backside. A little wrench to make sure it doesn't sink in a little. The plan here is to kind of wiggle it off. It's pretty loose at that point, but not quite loose enough. It's pretty much off now. So underneath you have, all these coils, and within the flywheel you have all these magnets. So it's not that it's hard to get off, really. It is kind of, but really what's holding it on is all those magnets. So that's a quick, easy way to get it off if you don't have to buy a puller or use any special tools. So yeah, that's handy. Well, anyway, I'll see you all next time.